Yes. So you came out of college, you had a degree. I'm talking about what? How many years ago? About 30 years ago?
30, correct.
For some people 20, for some people 25, for some people 30. In this room, like, you know, so yeah. For me, it was 1985. So that was like, what, something like 35 years ago?
35 years.
So, you remember that fire you had in your belly? कि यार मुझे पहली एक job मिल जाए. You had a certain fire in your life. On a scale of 1 to 10, 1 low, 10 high, what was that fire at that time?
To become something.
To become something, to do something. एक energy थी, एक desire थी.
To prove yourself.
एक level of motivation था, एक passion था, एक inspiration थी. वो level of inspiration क्या थी? मैं वो आपसे पूछना चाह रहा हूँ. 10 थी. Over the years, SOPs आ गए, company politics आ गई. You could not achieve what you wanted to achieve, and so on and so forth. And then this motivation level slightly comes down for majority of the people, and which is natural. ठीक है ना? जिसको हम कहते हैं हालात का शिकार हो गए. What is that level of motivation now, as compared to that motivation?
I think it varies from different, because few people might be sticking with one organization for 25 years.
थोड़ा आगे आ जाए.
Other might be, moving, as we did say that you may be dynamically moving here and there along to achieve your dreams and all that. So obviously it changes from person to person. There's nothing wrong with sticking with one organization. But I think in order to get exposed to different challenges, you may just keep on.
Yeah, the external environment changes, but I'm not talking about the external environment. Yes, because of the external environment, like a lot of changes happen within us internally also. So my question over here is only one simple question. I want you to focus on this. When you were looking for a job, what was your level of motivation? You said 10. My question is, 30 years fast forward, what is the level of motivation in comparison to that?
So that's what I'm saying, that it would be still 8 or 9 because, the person who kept looking for better and better.
Yeah, I'm not talking about other people. I'm not talking theoretically, I'm not talking philosophically. I'm talking for you specifically here. It's a direct question to you.
It has substantially dropped, but the point is, the way I understand it, that yes, generally there is a trend as you climb the ladder, the motivation goes down. But at the early age, it is journey. It is one clear objective which you focus, and as you grow, that objective is not the only objective that is left. Probably you have achieved a lot of things, and there are other objectives also. So it's very difficult to quantify whether one has really lost. I think so. In general, if we see all the objectives at a higher age level, I think so. It generally drops.
I think it drops because
I think that initially we are one person.
Yeah.
Then we get married. So we have another person. Then we have children. So we have.
So it's
other
about
children,
the
other
constraints
people in our
that
lives.
we have
So
more
our
and more
motivation
constraints.
level also, spreads across our family, and then also, for instance, I assume that my father motivated me very highly. I come from a very conservative family where no woman went to university, but my father allowed me to not only go for a Fulbright scholarship to USA, but also I went to UK and Japan and all by myself. So I think my father used to say that when you want to climb a mountain, just take one step at a time and go reach the top. Don't look behind.
Wise
Don't
man.
say, yeah, he was the wisest man in my life actually.
Nice.
I think as Anita and Afisab said, the motivation with passage of time, it has multiplied. The directions, initially we were one focused on myself. जैसे मैंने कहा कि उसके बाद आपके parents, बच्चे, बीवी, उनकी education, हर level पे you are putting in that 100% और जैसे आप कह रहे हैं 10%. In a way, डाइवर्सिफाई हो जाती है चीज़ें और जितने नंबर ऑफ गोल्स होते हैं वो मोटिवेशन उससे मल्टीप्लाई हो जाती है.
That's right. Yeah.
Good.
I think, for example, if you wake up in the morning.
Beautiful. I wanted to,
happily,
I wanted to
happily
come
want
back
to
this.
come to the office
Very nice.
and spend day and happily go back to the home. It means your motivation level is.
Yes. So it all depends how you get up from the bed every morning.
That's right. That's right.
Seriously, it all boils down to simple things in life.
Yeah.
Whether I smile more or not, whether I am laughing more or not, whether I'm enjoying myself
That's
with the
right.
family or not. What is the point of making all my earnings and everything for the family with whom I'm going to be serious? That's not good communication.
And I think one thing with passage of time, what we learn with experience and exposure, at a time, you know, a stage comes when you tend to give back what you have learned to your team and become a mentor and coach. And there, I think at a stage, your motivation comes to see if your team is doing good, or if you make something better for another person, and if you see them grow in front of you. So motivation can anything. It is your self awareness or self-esteem or better life, but getting other people making better the way what you have sometimes in life you have seen face difficulties, and to make better for others so they don't go through the same failures or same difficult path, that's a motivation. So motivation is not just a status within the company, or so it's giving to others and getting appreciation. So for me, my motivation is to make other much better than what you are. So I think this is
The higher purpose.
higher purpose.
Right, very good. But yeah, the purpose behind this question is not to gauge things technically speaking, कि चली कहानी की पहले कितनी डिग्री थी तो अब कितनी डिग्री है, ये मतलब नहीं है.
Objective may change, but motivation level is
Yeah.
always
हाँ, but inspiration we do over a period of time we lose it. Job becomes boring. 2 साल से ज़्यादा मैं अगर एक जॉब पे बैठा हुआ हूँ तो job becomes boring. There is no challenge, no learning. तो इसलिए कहते हैं कि 1.5-2 साल से ज़्यादा जो है हमें वो एक अपनी जॉब रोटेशन, ताकि बंदा बोरिंग उसमें ना आ जाए वो गेज के अंदर. So yeah, it's a constant challenge how to keep yourself motivated. Things which are happening on the outside, and if we start focusing on things which we don't control or we cannot control, there is something known as the locus of control. How many people know what the locus of control means? Locus of control. क्या मतलब है locus of control? Locus of control is the area
Which you cannot change.
Just अपने senses को ही खो दें. You don't understand how to tackle it, how to where start and to whom should I contact. यानी बिल्कुल आप ऐसे blind आदमी हो जाता है at a tough situation. I think that is a loss of control.
So locus of control is the areas that we can control. Example?
You cannot change weather.
You
You cannot change.
That is not in your control.
That is not in your
You
control.
cannot
Very good
control.
point. Very good point. So that is like out of your. So there are 3 areas दिमाग में रखिए. Areas you can control. Areas you can influence. Social media, opinions, feedback from the people, suggestions. And there are third, which is the outer world, which is the areas where you cannot control. Like the Kashmir situation, we cannot control. I mean, I personally speaking, I cannot control, or not even can I influence. I may think I can influence, but I actually cannot influence. So I'm only fooling myself in thinking that I have a play in that part also of my world. So people use, like, their life arguing about politics, arguing about cricket games, arguing about areas that they cannot influence, and they waste their energies into those areas, and they lose their focus on the areas that they can actually influence.
That's right.
So as a result of our training workshops, we bring the people's focus onto the areas that you can actually control and influence, not lose on the areas that we cannot influence. So we have a logical mind, The pattern recognition is one of the biggest abilities that makes us into Ashraful Makhluqat. Ashraful Makhluqat by birth will not be there, but you have to earn that right to be Ashraful Makhluqat. This is proven. And we know this fact also, that you actually have to earn the right to be Ashraful Makhluqat, otherwise we are just all in the monkey business. So what is the difference between our animal instinct desires as well as being superior is the quality of the thinking that we indulge in. And the quality of the thinking, तो हमने उसको pause करना तो सीखा ही कोई नहीं है, हमने उसको still करना सीखा नहीं है, हम तो trapped हैं उसी jungle of thoughts के अंदर. The river of thoughts is taking over one thing or the other, and then we have no control over our thoughts. You cannot control a thought from manifesting in your mind. We know this scientifically. But you have the power to dissolve the thought as soon as it arises. This is in my control. Manifesting in my mind, I cannot. Dissolving it, I can. So, focusing on your own areas of locus of control are the areas, like my health is in my control. I can actually have my day. I can sort of like influence or control some of the things in my own life, my own dreams, my own passions, my own team members, the development, the training and development, or my children to some extent, but not all the extent. Most people stood over here and they said, my dreams are only my children's dreams now. Hello, this needs a major correction. This is a very wrong mindset. That my happiness is linked to the children's minds, like, happiness. Why? What was your life before the children? What have you lost that focus in? You brought those children in so that they could grow and live their own life. Not for you to lose your focus from your own entire life and focus on them entirely. So
actually, these days, children don't like their parents to be focused on them that much.
Beautiful.
Because they want to
Very well said.
more
Very
freedom.
well said. Very well said.
Freedom or privacy?
They need space.
They need space. Yeah, we all need space.
Yeah, we all need.
We all need space. Yeah. So इसलिए as a result, yes, make your dream collages, which is why dream collage बनाना जरूरी है. एक refresh हो जाता है दिमाग में कि पीछे क्या दिमाग के अंदर यार उन जिंदगी मुक्कन लगी है, उन कुछ कर लिए, आखिरी 8-10 साल रह गए ने एक्टिविटी थे, कुछ कर लिए भाई. जी.
Just a point, because you made a point that you need to focus on your area of influence, and then there are issues that are beyond our control.
Ji.
And you gave the
I know it's a little tough for other people to handle this. Ji.
Yeah, and like for example, the Kashmir issue is there, and there have been so many issues, and we
Yeah.
have
Israel issues there.
Israel issues
Yeah,
there,
yeah,
and
yeah.
we have so many issues,
Yeah.
and people do
Donald Trump issues there.
Donald Trump issue and so on and so forth. So are you actually suggesting that we need to focus on the areas that are in control, that we can control, and what are unmanageable that we need to leave them alone?
We're not saying that you leave them alone, but we're saying you focus your specialization and you master the areas you can control. If you are 100% all right and in the areas that you're controlling, by first thing is look at the mirror. Am I in control or not? If I'm not in control, what gives me the right to control other people?
Exactly.
So hello. Simple test is the mirror. Simple test is the video that I just took of you making a presentation. Take a look at that. So if I'm standing over there with my stomach like this or with my stomach like this, what does it that tell me? There is some misdirection in my life. So yes, bring your focus onto those things which I can manage. So that's our entire thing. And we sort of like deal with so many people cross-culturally, like, different